Hello everyone, this is Mohammed. I am Java trainer in JSpiders Punjagutta. Here we have Anjali who got recently placed in one company. Okay, she will introduce herself.
I am myself Anjali. I am a 2023 pastor student from Dr. V.TECH Women's College of Engineering and Technology in the stream of Computer Science with a percentage of 70, and I joined here in the month of February, and then after I go through Java and SQL and web technology by the faculty here.
Okay, so you attended maximum all the subjects. Okay, so now before going for this interview, you have attended active sessions.
Yeah, sir.
How these active sessions helped you?
Yeah, it helped me a lot. Many of the companies first they conducted aptitude test only because to shortlist the students. So it helped me a lot to crack.
Very good. Okay, and along with that, grooming sessions did you attend?
Yeah.
So how these grooming sessions helped you?
It helped me a lot also because in every company the pattern will be different. So in grooming session they teach us the pattern as well, the previous questions, previous modules, what they have already been placed.
Okay, so it helped you a lot. Very good. So next, you have attended web technology, core Java, SQL, and advanced Java. You are about to start. Okay, so all these technologies you have learned.
Yeah, I'm going with JavaScript.
Ongoing with JavaScript. Okay, fine, good. So whatever you have learned, so much knowledge you have gained.
Yeah.
So does it help you think?
Yeah, definitely it helped me.
You learn well.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, congratulations.
Thank you.